Hey, this is Terrace again from Baltimore TV Mount. And when I say Baltimore TV Mount, what I want you all to know, if you're probably new, you don't know this, but Baltimore TV Mount is actually me. So when you call or you text or you send an email, I'm the one who actually writes back. What I wanted to talk about today was Baltimore TV Mount's lifetime warranty, because it is unique what we offer our clients. As long as I install the TV, as long as that TV is on the wall, I warranty it for life. Meaning 5 years, 10 years, if you have a TV that even goes 20 years, I'll warranty it. The reason why I can do that is kind of long, but I'm gonna save you all the details. Basically, I grew up in construction. My dad was a home builder. From the time that I was 16 years old, I was out running construction crews myself. At 18, 19, I started managing properties. That's how I actually paid my way through college. And through my 20s, I managed real estate, did a lot of the maintenance work myself. What I'm getting at is I know how your wall is constructed. Whether it's you want your TV mounted on a brick wall or stone or tile or sheetrock or plaster above a fireplace, outside with siding. I used to own a solar energy company. So when I'm installing a TV outside, I know how to waterproof it. You guarantee on that. I know how your wall is constructed. When I put your mount on the wall, I don't always use the anchors that come with the mounts. I don't always use the anchors. If you're reusing a mount, I may not use the anchors that you've used before in the past. I'm going to look at your wall. I'm going to figure out how it's constructed. I'm going to use my, I hate to admit, 25 years of experience in construction and building. And I'm going to use the anchor that is designed specifically for your application. Why that's important is because when I put a mount up, it's going to hold. It's going to hold for life. I guarantee it. Now, also included in my lifetime warranty is phone service. So if you see something wrong, take a picture, send it to me, I'll fix it. But when it comes to phone service, now you could, of course, call me up if you get a new TV. You could call me up and you can pay for me to come out and switch your TVs. That's fine. I'm happy to do that. But in addition to the warranty I offer in the phone service, customer service or whatever, guidance, you get a new TV, you call me up, I will FaceTime, you could send me pictures, I'll send you videos, I'll walk you through how to swap the TVs. If you're moving out and you don't want to pay me to come take the TV down, I will send you videos on how to take it down yourself, how to patch the wall, do whatever I need to do to help. Basically what I'm saying is when I put a TV on the wall, I'm sticking behind it. With any questions, concerns, or work that you need in the future, I'm here to help you. I've been installing and mounting TVs for 12 years. I've been in building and construction for over 25 years. So you can also rest assured that if you do have an issue 5 or 10 years from now, I'm still going to be around. I'm going to be happy to help you. It's Baltimore TV Mount. So if you're considering putting your flat screen TV on the wall, please reach out. Best way is to text me. Let me know where you are located, what services you will need, and what your scheduling is. And I'd be happy to get back and let you know what the ultimate price is, how soon I can get out there, and then we can arrange it. Thank you very much, and have a great day.